So students, you open your notebook. First you note down the spelling. Subsidiary alliance. SUBSIDIARY. Subsidiary alliance. ALLIANCE. So first you have to know what is subsidiary alliance. By imposing subsidiary alliance, it angered, it agitated the tribals and peasants. This alliance, it was a system developed by the East India Company, that it was imposed in Indian rulers. Those who were the Indian rulers, small territories were there, small kingdoms were there when East India Company they entered. So small territories, small kingdoms. So East India Company, they forced those rulers that company will interfere in their territories, and apart from them or apart from this, company will interfere